All right, everybody. Say hi to Bob. And because it's 2 minutes, bye, Bob. All right, so basically, in short, we're trying to get this message across of how to predict CO2 emissions from previous emissions and companies' 10K reports. So just as a quick overview of what we're dealing with here, we see at CO2 emissions at time 0 and time 1 and the overall change. And then from those 10K reports, we see that there's an abstract number of variables that kind of coincide with what their emission targets are. So again, if you don't know, a TACAN is an annual report that's published by companies mandated by the SEC or Securities and Exchange Commission. And each one of these SARs has developed a way of connecting their basically the report with these numbers. So again, like I said before, the CO2 emissions with whatever information is relevant. And this is all the text. So much fun, you guys. We love this. All right, and just Claudio, can you continue?
Okay, so we developed a numerical tool that can interpret and analyze and process the data and give prediction about the emission of CO2, the next emission of CO2. And in particular, we focused on classification problems, so decrease or increase in emission of CO2. And then we hope, can you go in the next slide? So we hope, of course, in the future to give a more accurate and quantitative prediction. And the results were good because classification problem, we managed to obtain a precision of a bit less than 80%, so we can predict with a good precision whether the amount of CO2 will decrease and increase. And of course, this is a motivation for industries to decrease the amount of emitted CO2 in order to receive more money from the investors. So thank you very much.